everyone, my name is Bubbly Bear.
Hi, Bubbly Bear!
Hello, Cat.
Come on, I'll show you something.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Look, Bubbly Bear, I got a mystery box.
Oh!
Can you guess what's inside, Bubbly Bear?
I don't know.
Here's a clue. It is the beginning letter of the word igloo.
Letter I.
You're right, Bubbly Bear. What's the sound of letter I?
E.
Yes, Bubbly Bear, it's E, 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 E. Say E, 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 E.
Today, we will learn two-letter blends with short vowel I.
Yes! E, 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 E.
Yay! Now let's blend two letters together. Remember, we have to say the sound. Sound, sound, sound. Now let's begin.
B, E, B. B, E, B.
When the letter I sits beside the letter C, the sound of the letter C becomes soft, like this. S, s, s. S, I, C. S, I, C. Great! D, I, D. D, I, D. F, I, Fee. F, I, Fee. G, I, Gee. G, I, Gee. I, He. I, He. J, I, G. J, I, G. K, I, Key. K, I, Key. L, I, Lee. L, I, Lee. M, I, Me. M, I, Me. N, I, Ni. N, I, Ni. H, I, P. P, I, P. Qu, I, Qui. Qu, I, Qui. R, I, Re. R, I, Re. S, I, C. S, I, C. T, I, T. T, I, T. V, I, V. V,
I, V. W, I, we. W, I, we. Y, I, ye. Y, I, ye. Z, I, z. Z, I, z.
Two-letter blends with short vowel I. Two-letter blends with short vowel I. E, 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 E. E, 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 E.
Oh, the train is coming. Ooh, it stops. Look, it has 3 carriages. Green carriage, yellow carriage, and orange carriage.
B, I, B. B, I, B. Can you help Bobbly Bear find the syllable B? Is it in the yellow carriage? No. Is it in the green carriage? Yes. Great. It's in the green carriage. You got it right. S, I, C. Can you help Bobbly Bear find the syllable C? Where is the syllable C? Yes, it's in the yellow carriage. Fantastic! D, I, D. Can you help Bobbly Bear find the syllable D? Where is the syllable D? Yes, it's in the orange carriage. Wonderful! I, Fee. Now, can you help Bobbly Bear find the syllable fee? Fee. Great! It's in the green carriage. Wonderful! G, I, G. Can you help Bobbly Bear find the syllable G? Yes, it's in the yellow carriage. You did such an amazing job. I, he. Where is the syllable he? Very good. It's in the orange carriage. Wonderful. I, G. Where is the syllable G? Yes, it's in the green carriage. K, key. Where is the syllable key? Fantastic! It's in the yellow carriage. L, I, li. Wonderful! Nice job! It's in the orange carriage. M, I, me. Can you help Bobbly Bear find the syllable me? Me. Where is it? Great job! It's in the green carriage. N, I, ni. Wow! It's in the yellow carriage. Fantastic! P, I, P. Where is the syllable P? Great job! It's in the orange carriage. Absolutely amazing!
Bye-bye, train!
Now, kids, repeat after me. Qu, I, qui. R, I, ri. S, I, si. T, I, t. V, I, v. W, I, we. Y, I, ye. Z, I, z.
Thanks for learning with us. See you on our next learning episode.